That's dope, dude. You getting this, Greg?
I don't know.
You're going to hang on to that thing. Just a little one.
A friend of mine does, he does mountain rescue, dude. And it's called a long line. They put you on the long line. 200 feet, drive around.
Once he puts the brakes on, go right for you, kitty.
So he's slowing down right now.
Fuck, nice video, dude.
If I'm getting it.
Look at that.
You see the helicopter? Look at that thing, man. It's a
It's like
log.
water skiing, eh? When you go outside the
Look at
lake.
the open back of the thing, huh? It's all open in the back.
Fucking
Cargo
nice.
thing.
Fucking cool.
Oh, look at that. He laid that sucker down.
I don't think I'm getting it.
Oh, look at these. You can see the scissors open up. Fuck, that's
I don't think I'm getting it.
That was the